upside down.
Oh, we are upside down. How did that happen? There we go. Hi, guys.
Welcome to the vlog.
Yeah. I gotta get my seatbelt on. You stay here with me and Mommy. We're gonna go to Walmart. I know. But I want to spend time with you.
It's cold. How cold is it?
It's like negative 95. I have on a Henley and a sweatshirt, and I have a beanie, and it's still cold. I need like 2 pairs of pants on, and my legs are freezing. Where you going, Boogie?
Your pink is showing.
My pink? Oh, my hair.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm wearing a really long sweatshirt. How is anything showing?
A pink in your hair. What are we gonna get?
I think I'm gonna get, it's gonna sound weird, but I think I'm just gonna get onion rings.
We always get the house
Sampler. I think I'm gonna just get, cause I'm not like super hungry. I'll wait. I don't mind waiting.
Look how pretty. Look at Sterling nose. Let me get the other. Look at the pretty kitten. Pretty kitten. She's waiting for her dinner. Sterling, you gave up?
She's taking a break.
Oh. Oh.
Not me.
Dani made dinner.
Tater tot casserole.
Hey guys, so I just edited a vlog and it is 11:44, so I'm gonna head to bed. Thanks for watching and we will see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. It's Sunday. We're going out to eat with Pop and Uncle Brian. Hold on, baby. There's cars here. And watch me trip over a rock.
Yeah,
Those are great rainbow rocks.
You can go up here and throw it. There's some gooses.
Oh, I see some.
Right there. That's close enough. Oh, you did it.
yeah. It's in the water.
Look at him eating that.
All them seagulls want it. Oh, look. Seagull's gonna get it.
They don't know where it is.
Oh, he stole it away from that goose.
That is so mean.
Hello,
Hey, Journey, can I throw one?
yeah.
Just a little piece. Thank you, baby. There they go. They got it.
There used to be a cat under there, remember?
Yeah, there used to be a cat that lived under this thing.
I remember that. That was here last time I was here. Yay, Journey! Good job, sister. Are you feeling better now that we're out of there, Sterling?
You see him, Aldrin? Holy spicy guacamole.
And another one down, and another one down.
Okay, come on, let's go this way. What are they all doing? Goodness gracious. Okay, let's go this way.
Those are some well-fed.
Look at all these people in here. Ooh. So many.
No chicken in there.
Journey and I are making a cake. We're making a Dolly Parton coconut. What is this? Southern style coconut cake. But we got
Give me I can vlog.
big egg, and we're gonna see if there is
A chicken or egg
Let me
inside.
see if there's a chicken or an egg inside. You gotta film right here. Okay, got it? Okay, here we go. We're gonna see what's in here. What do you think's in here?
I don't know.
There might be another egg in there. Nope.
What is it?
What is it, John?
It's 2.
We got 2.
Awesome.
See, we got 2, and Mom's throwing them away. So
Got a bonus.
we got.
Yay.
Yeah, Mom, come back here. Okay. There's 2 in there.
Okay, what do you think's in here?
A baby chicken.
I hope not. If there was a baby chicken, I'd scream.
I'd scream with you.
Okay.
Guys, there's just 1 egg.
Just 1 egg. Okay. No, we're not going to do the little one. We're going to do this one. It called for 4 eggs, but just in case if there wasn't 2 in that one, I was going to put
Okay.
another in there.
Is there a baby chicken?
No, just 1 egg. Okay, so we got 4 eggs. We're good.
Mary, go with the other one.
We're good.
Please.
Good vlogging. Good job, Jern.
I'm good at vlogging.
You are good at vlogging.
Yeah, that's what we got.
Will you mix the eggs now?
Yeah.
Well, next song.
And so out, okay, guys?
Okay.
Let's store it.
You want to sit with Papa?
I thought maybe I could sign a room and I
It's
could
the
show you
Papa.
my many hip helmets or maybe my lotions and aftershaves.
This is Papa. This is Papa.
3 more. And here's
You're silly.
One without
Unicorn.
equilibrium. He recently received the gift of new eardrums from a potbelly pig.
It's Papa! Hi guys, so I'm downstairs. I'm going to, I thought I had 1 apron to make, but it turns out this will not sit on here. It turns out I have 2 aprons because I forgot. I have to make a wrong with my camera? Why won't it sit here? I'm trying to figure out what the heck. Where's it? Put the fuzz on there. Okay, one is this apron. What's the other one then? Never mind. We do have 1 apron. I was busy looking for the other thing, and it is actually one that I already made. So I have 2 shipping labels here, and one says it should, both of these say they ship tomorrow, the 6th. One is this apron that I'm going to make, and the other is this other apron that's hanging up here that I have already made. Okay, I was like, why do I have 2 labels? And then I have to, what is that? I have to finish the ribbon trim that goes with this. I just need to put the yellow ribbon, which I think I'm going to go do right now. Put the yellow ribbon. It's a pastel. They had originally ordered the a T-Rex dinosaur, and then in the notes they asked if I could put this, I don't remember the name, Ankylosaurus. I have no idea what it's called. So I looked up designs and I found this one. I saw there's very little of these dinosaur designs of this dinosaur. And none, there was one applique one, but the face on it was not, I mean, it didn't look, I mean, I'm not knocking the person that made it, by no means. It was just not, I didn't think it would be a good fit to, I probably have it in my favorites, just kidding, I don't. Actually, I think I had it in my cart. Just kidding, I don't. Yeah. Anyway, I thought it would have been a good, it wouldn't have been a good Ankylosaurus. I have no idea how you say it. Anyway, I posted my video today about, you know, selling stuff. So I have already sold the hooping station, and hopefully she'll get that tomorrow. I did 1-day shipping, so I thought she might get it yesterday, but I guess because I shipped it on a Friday, they don't do weekends. It was UPS. So anyway, that will hopefully get to her tomorrow, hopefully in one piece, and it's all good. I still have my Mighty Hoop, my 425, because I've got, I almost shut my finger in there. So I still have, I gave one of these to Dani already, which is the 5x5 Mighty Hoop. Right? I'm like, where? Oh, where? Yeah, this is the 5x5. So I already gave one to Dani, and I sent one with, I sold one with my hooping station, and then I have, you know, I still have two. This isn't one I use very often. I just use this one for onesies or something. Really, there is no reason for me to have two of them. I mean, I do have two machines, but, you know, I'm still like, I don't think there would be a reason for me to put two onesies on a machine at the same time. Anyway, and then I had two of these 425s, which I know they're good for like beanies. I saw where Angela uses these for her beanies, you know, but I still don't see any reason for me to have two of them. So I am selling one of them, and I got a lot of people saying, don't sell all your stuff. I'm not selling. There's two reasons I'm selling, you know, I'm selling stuff because obviously I need money, but also a lot of stuff I've needed to sell for a while, and it's just finding the time. Like all my licensed fabric, I'm not ever going to, you know, do anything with it. It's just taking up space. At one time before, you know, I was doing a lot of the number appliques and stuff with it, so that was the whole purpose of a lot of it, was number appliques. And even before number appliques, I was making corset tops. So it's been some of this fabric. I have like Dora fabric, I have, I don't know, just a lot of fabric that I need to go through, and that's something I want to do when Dani's here. She has gone to bed because both her and Sterling are not feeling well. They both have like sinus head colds. Anyway, so yeah, I have these, and then there's like some other hoops in here. But again, I mean, I don't think I'll ever use them. But they're not Mighty Hoops. I've got two of these big, giant, whatever the heck these ones are. I mean, I would be more than willing to sell these hoops. I don't. They're for a Melco, obviously, but I don't know. There's two of them. I don't know what size they are. They are bigger than these. They're bigger than my Mighty Hoop that is. Oh, there's a needle on that one. They're bigger than, this is a, I got a 8x13, and then I think this is a 11x13. So I got an 11x13, I got a 8x13. I got these two big guys right here. I also got two wooden ones, two bigger, humongous. Like, see how huge this thing is? Like, how big is your design that you use in those bad boys? There's two of those, and they're both the same size. So, Okay, so I mainly use my mighty hoops. I also got that hoop that's hanging up there. I got that. I don't know what size that is. I've got a lot. I've got let's see. I'm gonna take these down here. I've got all these hoops back here, you know. Some of them are new, but again, I don't use them. I mainly make shirts now, you know. Someday I may make other things, you know, than shirts. But at this time, if it ever rolled around to that, then you know, I'd probably just save up and buy what I needed, if that makes sense. So, yeah. So the hooping station has already sold. I still have the one mighty hoop. I might sell another 5x5. I'm not really sure yet. The hoops that I use all the time are my 10x10 and my 8x9. This is my go-to that I use all the time, which is an 8x9. Now, if anything, I would probably buy another 10x10 just to have two 10x10s and two 8x8s or 9x8s. But yeah, I'm just, I don't know, in the mood to like kind of declutter and get rid of like the licensed fabric. Somebody sent Dani a message today about the stabilizer, so I got to get all that together. And then Kim wanted my the roll of the sticky back stabilizer. I'm thinking there's probably, I was gonna get it and measure it too, unroll it and measure it, because I don't know how. I know it's a 20 by something roll, so I think it might be a 20, like the length of it 20 inches. I'm thinking it's got to be at least 20 yards. Maybe, I don't know how the yardage comes in those. And if, you know, some has been used off it or whatever. I also have another big roll of stabilizer, like a big long roll. Again, it's in the closet, I think. It was either in the closet or, yeah, I think it's in the closet. This closet is a mess. Well, it's not that much of a mess, but it's a little bit of a mess. But I have this, like, again, I don't know what this is. Water soluble, 40 inches, 10 yards of it, so.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.